If you're looking for the most precise measuring tool for your mixology, let me introduce you to the Lexenic measuring tool I was just gifted. I absolutely love how clean this is. It is Japanese stainless steel, food-friendly 304 steel, and it has all the measurements you could want. On one side, it goes from 1/8 ounce up to 1 ounce. And what's so nice about this is that it not only tells you which one it is, but it actually has lines that go all the way around at each measurement, so you can't miss it. You can just go up to that line, and so you're really not looking at those numbers, you're learning the lines. As for the larger side, it starts at 1¼ ounce and goes up to 2 ounces. Same concept. It has those lines through it. Really nice. So when you're making a drink, you can get those exact measurements. This is going to be messy since I'm pouring from a cup, but I really can see exactly where I want to go. And then this pours super cleanly, gives me exactly what I want. Now, obviously I'd be pouring from a bottle, not a cup, but this is perfect. So if you've been looking for a fantastic measuring tool, I cannot recommend this enough. I will definitely be using this from here on out.